Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus HubSpot. To understand which is better, let's first look at their fundamental purposes. Notion serves as a highly flexible workspace for internal team collaboration, notes, and project management. HubSpot, on the other hand, is a comprehensive platform designed for customer relationship management, marketing, sales, and customer service. Your ideal choice will depend entirely on your organization's primary operational needs and strategic goals. Notion truly shines as a versatile tool for internal organization and content creation. It offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing teams to build custom wikis, databases, and project trackers tailored to their exact workflows. This makes it perfect for documentation, knowledge bases, and collaborative task management. You can start with a free personal plan, and team plans are typically around $8 per user per month, offering great value for its extensive features. HubSpot is the go-to solution for businesses focused on customer engagement and growth. Its integrated suite provides powerful tools for lead generation, sales automation, and comprehensive customer relationship management. From marketing campaigns to customer support, HubSpot streamlines external interactions and offers robust analytics to track performance. While there's a free CRM, paid hubs can range from $18 to over $800 monthly, depending on your required features. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your core business focus. If your priority is internal team collaboration, flexible project management, and knowledge sharing, Notion is likely your ideal choice. However, if customer acquisition, sales, and marketing automation are paramount, HubSpot will serve you better. For comprehensive needs, consider integrating both. Carefully evaluate your budget and specific feature requirements to make the most informed decision for your organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.